Hi, Corky.
Wait, is it open?
Looks like a rainbow.
That must be the alphabet.
Which one is the girl? That was boy, Mommy.
The Orca. The orca lives in every corner of the ocean, from the Arctic to the Atlantic, the Southern to the Indian, to the mighty Pacific and beyond.
Woo! Good boy, Nakai.
Welcome to SeaWorld's Orca Encounter. My name's Casey, and I'm honored to introduce you to these intriguing and majestic animals.
Woo! Good boy!
All that they represent.
Good boy, Nakai.
While they are found in every ocean, orcas living off the coast of Iceland are quite different than the... As you can see, the differences are subtle, but noticeable when compared side by side. Orcas are adapted perfectly to their environments. And even the whale's black and white coloration has a purpose. When viewed from above, the black of the whale blends in with the dark depths of the ocean.
Killer whales really are a natural wonder, and Nakai is going to help me show you some of their physical characteristics. Their blowhole is perfectly designed for catching a quick breath at the surface of the water. Even the location of their eyes works to their advantage. You might think that they're in this white patch. That's a visual distraction. They're actually located in the black area in front of the white patch, camouflaged from thrashing prey. The fin on the whale's back is called a dorsal fin. It's used for stabilization during swimming. It also helps them regulate their body temperature.
Good boy.
The flippers on each out of the water.
Woo! Who else they letting in? Who else they letting in? Come on.
Killer whales are highly social animals with a well-defined social structure. An orca pod is always led by a female. Though just half the size of our male counterpart and work
There we
as a
go.
group, orcas need to communicate
Shuka.
with sounds and body language. Orcas use clicks for echolocation or navigation.
There you are, baby girl.
Whistles to socialize in the pod.
Ulysses! Oh my god. Kalia! Shuka! Oh my god, I'm dead. Woo! Good girl, Shuka!
With their surroundings when they hunt.
Aww. Little baby. Or is that Kalia? Orchid's there too. Ulysses.
Fluid slaps are another form of
No,
communication.
Ulysses, no.
Killer
No, 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 no.
whales use
Ulysses, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Please no, big boy. Please no, please no. Please no. No, no, no. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Killer whales really are excellent communicators, so it's no wonder they're at the top of the ocean.
Yeah! Good girls.
The orca's hunting techniques are as varied as the whales themselves. Norwegian
Sugar, sugar, sugar,
killer
sugar,
whales
sugar, 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 sugar,
working
sugar,
them
sugar.
together.
Ulysses, I love you, but why did you do that? Your girl's all wet.
Whales in the southern hemisphere will capture sea lions by pulling them right off the beach. Watch as one of our whales shows you a simple
Ulysses, I'm so mad at you.
Antarctic orchid.
Woo! Orchid! What up, girl?
Right off into the water.
And Nakai. Good girl, Shuka. Oh my god.
It's 54 degrees.
Uh-oh, big boy coming.
So there's a handle
Ulysses.
right there and try to put your backs all the way. Oh, here's the whale. Get ready. Here is the whale.
Oh, no. Good boy. Oh my gosh, Kalia. What happened to my...
The largest animal on the planet.
Hi.
It is 5 times longer and 50 times
Amaya?
heavier than a killer
think.
whale. So how does a whale the size of ours eat a whale the size of this
Girl,
person?
Kalia.
In the wild? Well, it's possible because killer whales are the
making them a highly successful predator.
Shuka. 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 Oh my god. I missed it. Great.
interacting and showing the playful side in the wild and
Woo.
here in SeaWorld. Porpoising is when a whale swims quick at the surface, breaking quickly. Orcas like to be touched, and they'll rub their bellies on rocks when they can. Watch as a couple of our whales show you a similar rubbing technique right here. This is just like whales embrace.
Hey, girly. Oh my god. Woo! Hi, Kalia. Nice slide. Shuka. No. Shuka. It's okay. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. Okay. Good girl. Maya.
With our whales all day, every day to build trusted relationships. This allows us to provide
Maya.
research.
Haha, you're a baby. You can't splash. Well.
We encourage our
Oh no, I'm
whales
sorry.
to actively participate
I didn't mean
in their
to.
own self-care and well-being. They'll provide us our tail flutes so that we can get voluntary blood samples. This is all due to the trusted relationship that we've built together day after day here at SeaWorld. Now, it's my honor to introduce you to a very special whale.
Orchid.
This is Orchid. She is 31 years old, and she is the first killer whale born at SeaWorld San Diego. She is very athletic, very intelligent, and all of her trainers really enjoy working with her. She's participated in many research studies, and we encourage them to learn something new and help keep these whales in great shape.
The whales here at SeaWorld
Hi,
have
Nakai.
helped killer whales in the wild by participating in many research studies. One ongoing study monitors the whale's heart rate and breathing to understand how marine noise pollution from ship engines and other sources affect wild populations. In another study, scientists from NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, took measurements of the killer whales living here, including pregnant whales. By comparing these measurements with drone footage of killer whales in the wild, scientists are able to monitor the wild population's nutritional and reproductive states. Other research has been done here at SeaWorld on the mother whale's milk composition. This research will help create an effective model to understand how toxins in the ocean impact wild killer whales and their milk supply. What we learn from the whales in our care every day is actively helping whales in the wild survive.
Tall.
And just by being here today, you've supported our rescue, research, and conservation efforts all around the world.
Get ready for it.
If we work together, like the killer whale, we can protect the future of the dinosaur and this beautiful planet that we all share.
Work it, Amaya. Work it. Work it, girl.
He's incredible. Enjoy the rest of your day right here at SeaWorld.
Okay. Bye, Ulysses. Ooh, Shuka. Woo! Yes. Yes. Thank you. I forgot about the toilet. It sounds more Indian. Happy Chinese New Year!